Choose the correct answer. The inequality represents the statement all values greater than -5. It will be x greater than -5. Letter B, which of the following values is solution of the inequality x less than -2? X less than -2, we have here number line, -2. We have here -3, then -3 less than -2, right? -3 here. Question 6, number of solutions of the inequality x greater than 6 infinity. We have a lot of solution about this example. Question number 2, complete. All values greater than -1 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at number line here. In the number line, we have -1 and 0, 1, 2, 3. Then, all numbers here greater than -1. All values smaller than 3, such that what? 2, 1, 0, and -1 in the number line. 3y equal 21, then y equals 7. We can divide it by 3 to find this variable here. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Then y here equals 7. Next question. N plus, question letter D. N plus 5 equals 16. Then we can find what we want to find n minus 1. We can find in here first step by 8 the additive inverse about this number. It will be negative. Then n will be 16 subtract by 5. N will be equal 11. He won't find n minus 1. It will be 11 minus 1 equal 10. Then the result here will be equal 10. Okay. Next question. From the opposite figure, write an equation and solve answers the following. We can write here from left hand side how many x's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 x's equals the total here. It will be 16. We can find the value of unknown here by divided by 4. X will be 16 divided by 4 equal 4. Then x will be equal 4. Question letter B, solve the equation. How do you know that you solve? Then x will be equal 4, the solution about this equation. Okay. Unit 1 assessment. Okay. Look at with me about question number 1. If 384 subtract by 16 equal 24, then the dividend here is divided again. Yes, it's divided. 384 divided by 16 equal 24. Then the dividend here it will be 384. 384. Okay. Choose letter A. Question letter B. If 40 divided 5 equal 8, then the remainder here equal what? We know 5 times 8 equal 40. Then the remainder will be equal 0. We have the remainder here. Question number 3. If 29 divided by 3 equal 9 and the remainder 2, then the divisor here equals 3. We call 3 here the divisor. Question number 4. The greatest common factor of 6 and 8 is, we know 6 equal 2 by 3. And the next number here, we have 6 and 8. 8 equal 2 by 2 by 2. We draw here the greatest common factor. It will be equal to between two numbers here. Question number 4. Okay. It's number 4 was 2. And the question number 3, we solve it at here he asked about the divisor. If 29 divided by 3 equal 9, then and the remainder 2, then the divisor here equals 3. Okay. Okay, it was question number 2. 4. And question here number 3, we solve it at 3. Okay. Next question. Question 5, 6 is the greatest common factor of any two relatively prime numbers is 1, such that 5 and 6, we call it relatively prime number. Okay, relatively prime numbers, the least common factor between them equal 1. But the least common multiplication between two relatively prime numbers equal their product. Next question. Question number 7. The common multiple of all numbers except 0 is what? Common multiple of all numbers, it will be what? It will be 0. Common multiple of all numbers, it will be equal 0. Question number 2. From the opposite Venn diagram, we want to find the greatest common factor. We have here 2 and 2 and 3, and we have 3. We can find greatest common factor by times 2 by 3 equals 6. And the least common multiplication, we can find the result 2 by 2 by 3 by 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 9 equals 36 times all factors here in Venn diagram. Next question, the first number equal what? 2 times 2 times 3. 4 times 3 equal 12. And second number will be 2 times 3 times 3. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3 equal 18. Look at question number 3. Salma put 3.5 kilogram of tomato and 1/4 kilogram of onions. How many kilogram of vegetables did she pay? We must eat them. 3.5 plus 1 and 1/4. We can find the least common multiplication between them. It will be 4. 2 times 2 equal 4, and 2 times 1 equal 2. Write 3 plus 1 equal 4, 2 plus 1 equal 3, and then write 4 in numerator. Then the result will be 4 and 3/4 kilogram. Question number 2. Ali bought a bottle of juice contains 1.5 liters. He drank 2/5 liters. How many liters of juice were left? Left, it's meaning remainder. We can find the remainder between two numbers, 1 and 1/2, subtract by 2/5. We can find the least common multiplication between two numbers here. It will be 10. 2 and 5, we call it relatively prime numbers. 2 times 5 equal 10. And 5 times 1 equal 5. 2 times 2 equal 4. Because 2 times 5 equal 10. 2 times 2 equal 4. We can write 1 here, and 5 minus 4 equal 1, and write 10 in numerator. Then the result will be 1 and 1/10 later. Unit 2 assessment. Choose the correct answer. The number -7 located to the right number of what? -7 is the right of -8. It's meaning -7 greater than what? In the number line here, we have negative here 7, and here -6, -5, -8. The number -7 is located to the right of the number -8. Okay, the number -7 is located to the right of the number -8 of the number line. Question number 2. The number space is neither negative and nor positive. Is neither negative nor positive. It will be 0. 0, neither negative and positive. Okay, 0, not positive and not negative. Question number 3. The smallest non-negative, it will be 0, because 0 is non-negative and non-positive. Okay. Question number 4. Negative 0.3 in the form a over b. We can convert it, write negative outside and 3 up and 10 down. The result will be -3/10. Question 5. Absolute value of the number. Absolute value of 0, it will be equal 0. The absolute value of 0, it will be equal 0. Question number 2, complete. The greatest non-positive integer is 0. 0, non-positive and non-negative. Okay. Question number 4. The smallest positive integer is 1. Smallest positive integer, 1. The integer that represents 7 below 0, below, it's meaning under 0, it will be negative. Question 6. The integer that comes just after negative 8, after negative 8 will be negative 8 plus 1, it will be negative 7. The result will be negative 7. Question 7, the absolute value of a equal 8, then a will be negative 8 or 8. We have two solutions about this example. Order the given of numbers from least to greatest. We can write first the smallest number here, negative 3 over 5. It's the first, and we know negative 1 over 4 behind it, because negative 3 over 5 we can convert it from fraction to decimal by multiplication by 2 numerator and numerator. It will be negative 6 over 10. It will be negative 0.6, and fourth multiplication by 25 numerator and numerator, it will be negative 25 over 100. It will be negative 25 hundredths. Understood? We convert fractions to decimal here, and absolute value of negative 1 over 2, it will be half. Absolute value of here, okay, negative 0.8 will be 0.8. Then we can put 0 here to write this number in the first, and this number next in the negative 1 over 4, and the positive it will be half, because half it will be 0.5, so less than 0.8, less than 0.7. Okay, right here, and the last one it will be 0.8. Complete using less than or more than or equal to. We have here negative 3.8 or negative 1.8. Which numbers here nearest to 0? Negative 1.8 is nearest to 0, it's greater than. And absolute value of 2 over 3, and absolute value negative 0.4, it will be 0.4, and here 2 over 3. We must convert this fraction. 2 over 3, it will be 0.6662, so on. So we must equal parts this less than this number, so 2 over 3 it will be greater than this number. Okay, but we have here 2 over 5. Okay, look at this question. 2 over 5 or absolute value of negative 0.4. We can find the absolute value about first to be 2 over 5. 0.4, it will be 0.4, and convert this number by multiplication by 2 numerator and numerator, it will be 4 over 10. 0.4, it will be equal to. Question here, negative 3 over 7 over 8, sorry, or absolute value of negative 3 and 5 over 8. We have negative, and this number will be positive. The positive will be greater than negative, because absolute value of negative it will be positive. Okay, next question. Absolute value of negative 2.5 or absolute value negative 3.3, it will be 2.5. So this number will be greater than this number. Complete. Question number 2. The variable from expression 5 subtract by k, it will be subtract k from 5, or we can write k less than 5. Question number 2. 9 by 9 by 9 by 9 by 9 by 9 equal 9 power 6. How many 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it will be 9 power 6. 9 here in the base and 6 in the power or exponent. Question 3. 5 squared, it will be 5 power 2. The two like term is here. 5 subtract 4x plus 7 power 2, it will be 5 and 7 power 2. Question number 5. Okay, 5 squared, it will be 5 power 2. Next question here. Okay, 5 plus 3 power 2, subtract by 2, multiplication by 7. We can find the result here. Parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division is the same step. Addition, subtraction from left hand side, right hand side, first come, first serve. We can find the result here. 3 power 2 equal 9, minus 2 times 7. Be 5 plus 9 minus 2 equals 7 by 7. And 5, 7 times 7 equal 49. 9 plus 5 equal 14. 4 and carry up 1. 1 plus 4 equal 5. The result will be 54. Question number 6. Area of square whose side lays 7 centimeter. In the exponential form, it will be 7 power 2 because the area of square equals side by side. It will be 7 power 2. It will be 49 centimeters. Try the exponential form. This example. Question 7. Twice the sum of the number. Twice the sum of a number and 3. Number and 3. In the algebraic form, we can write 2. It means twice the number subject x e2 3. Okay, next question. Okay, please. Next question here. Easy question. Answer the following. If the ticket of entering car park 25 lira and 10 lira for each hour you spend. First, write algebraic expression to represent the relation between the total cost and the number of hours. We can write here the unknown, such as that h or n or m as you like. Okay, we have the constant. The constant here is the ticket entering car. It will be 25 lira. It's the constant when you want to go to any sayings, car park such as that. 25 is the ticket, it's a constant, and 10 lira for each your hours spent. We will reverse to each hour equal h, so we can write 10h or 10x as you like. Is the relation. 25 is a constant, and each ticket you can give him 10 lira for each your spent. If you get 1 hour, we must get this money, 25 plus 10, to the someone or any peoples in this car parks. Second, what is the cost of spending 5 hours in the park? Put here, in this example, h equal 5, which equals 2 hours. Then the total cost will be equal 25 plus 10 multiplication by 5 will be 25 plus 10 times 5 equal 50. We can add them. 0 plus 5 equal 5 and 5 plus 2 equal 7. The result will be 75. Okay, 75 Egyptian lira. Use the order of mathematical operation to simplify this result. We have here 40. Look at next question. 40 plus 5 multiplication by 3 power 2 subtract by 7 plus 10. We can write here 40 plus 5 multiplication by 3 power 2 equal 9 minus 7 plus 10, and then write 40 plus 5 times 2 plus 10. We can write 40 plus 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 10. 40 plus 10 equal 50 plus 1 plus 10 equals 60. The result here will be equal 60. Evaluate the expression at x equal 2. We have 5x power 2 plus 8 divided by 6 minus 4 divided by 2 at x equal 3. But in this example, x equal 3. Then the result will be what? In this example, we have 5x power 2, write 5 here. And x power 2, put x equal 3, 3 power 2 plus 8 divided by 6 minus 4, it will be 2 divided by 2. Okay, write 5 times 3 power 2 equal 9 plus 8 divided by 2 divided by 2. Okay, 5 times 9 equal 45 plus 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 4 divided by 2. Then we can write 45 and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. The result will be 47. It's the result about this example, 47. Question number 4, evaluate each pair of algebraic expression that given the value for the variable and determine where the two expressions are equivalent or not. We have here 4x plus 2, it's the first expression, and second expression here, 2 multiplication x plus 2. If x equal 1 and x equal 6. Okay, if x equal 1, we can draw this table and divide it 3 parts or 4 parts to put here x equal 1 and x will be equal 6 in the first expression. Here 4x plus 2 and 2 times x plus 2. Put x equal 1 here. 1 times 4 equal 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Put 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. It will be equal. And at x equals 6, 4 times 6, 24. 24 plus 2 equals 26. Put 6 here. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. Then the result here will be not equal. Okay. Next question. Write algebraic expression here about this question. We want to find the area of the opposite here. We have rectangle and divided it to rectangles here. This side x centimeter and here 10 centimeter and it was 5 centimeter. Then we can find the area. Okay, we can write 5 تساوي multiplication by length x plus 10, or you can write 5x using distributive properties. 5x plus 5 times 10, it will be 50. Then it's expression 5 times x plus 10 or 5x plus 50. Okay. Now we will solve next question here. Unit 3 assessment. Look at with me about question number 1. Number of terms in this example. Unit 3 assessment. Number of terms of the expression 3x plus 2y minus 5. We have 3 here. Okay, next question. Which of the following are like terms? We have 5 and 7 here. Choose letter A. Okay, they are like terms here. Okay, next question. Question number 3. Sam has 50 Egyptian lira. He puts 3 pins for each 4 key lira. Then the remainder with him. Sam has 50 Egyptian lira and he puts 3 pins each 4 key lira. Then he will pay 5 or 3. He put 3 pins for each k lira. It will be 3k. It's the total with him. Total money he will give someone, it will be 3k. And the remainder with him, it will be 50 subtract 3k. 3k reverses to the total with him. Understood?